Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes mouse cursor moving on its own Windows 11. First method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Open Mouse Settings. Click Pointer Options tab, uncheck Automatically Move Pointer to the default button in a dialog box. Check Hide Pointer while typing, click Apply, click OK. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand mice and other pointing devices, right-click your mouse, click Uninstall device, click Uninstall, click Yes to restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.